Sa Manitoba, taus-puso raw ang pakikiramay ng komunidad sa lugar sa mga biktima ng trahedya noong Lapu-Lapu Day kamakailan sa Vancouver. Ang detalye sa report ni Teresa Barrera.
A lot of individuals who actually live in Vancouver do have roots in Winnipeg and still have family here as well. So it sent profound shockwaves across our community here in Winnipeg because of how um, interwoven we are.
Isa si MLA Jelen de la Cruz sa daang-daang Pilipinong dumalo sa Philippine-Canadian Center of Manitoba noong April 29 para sa isang community vigil. Pagluluksa para sa mga biktima ng Lapu-Lapu Day tragedy sa Vancouver noong April 26, kung saan dosene ang sugatan at 11 katao ang pumanaw.
Out of that vigil, we heard a real need for Manitoba to play a larger role in direct humanitarian aid for the victims of the Lapu-Lapu tragedy.
Matapos ang vigil na yon, nagdesisyon ng gobyerno ng Manitoba na mag-set up ng isang $50,000 matching fund para sa mga biktima ng trahedya.
To encourage Manitobans and folks across provinces as well to give in this time of need and give at a time where a lot of Filipino community members, a lot of people who simply were there that day in appreciation for our culture, how the rug was essentially pulled from under them.
Ang mga donasyon mula Manitoba, imamatch hanggang $50,000 kapag ang mga donasyon ay para sa Red Cross of Canada, sa Jewish Federation of Winnipeg o sa United Way Kapwa Strong Fund.
And in talking with many folks on the ground in Vancouver as well, so Filipino BC as well as MLA Mabel Elmore, it sounds like Kapwa Strong is the place to put those resources.
Nagpapasalamat raw ang mga Ministry of Sport, Culture, Heritage and Tourism ng probinsya at ang Labor and Immigration Ministry ng Manitoba sa lahat ng first responders. Pati na rin sa United Way BC at Jewish Federation of Greater Vancouver para sa kanilang tulong sa Filipino community.
Said, kaya natin to, we can do this and we'll emerge stronger. And in the spirit of Datu Lapu-Lapu, one of our first national heroes in the Philippines who brought a colonial tirade to its knees, we have to show that relentlessness in everything that we do and continue to do what we do best, which is care for those around us.
Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.